Now the parts, it has the cecum, ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, and last portion is the sigmoid colon. Okay, S shape. That why it is known as sigmoid colon. The first appendix. This one is the appendix, very long and tiny appendix, and this is the mesoappendix. You see, this is the mesoappendix. Clear? And from, if you guide it from here, this is the opening of the. This is the appendix, and the hanging portion of the appendix. This portion are mesoappendix. You see, this is the mesoappendix. Here, and this is the terminal portion of the ileum. Appendix, mesoappendix. Clear? এরপর আসো দেখো আমাদের তিনটা কার্ডিনাল ফিচার্স আছে। Large intestine has three cardinal features.
Canaliculate, circulation and obstruction and appendix and everything.
দেখো, this is the bulge portion, huh? Some are bulge portion and some are constricted portion. Bulge portion are known as circulation, okay, and constricted portion are known as obstruction. And longitudinally, দেখো, there is a muscular band. If you hold, feel like that, okay, and roll over in between the two fingers, you can feel the muscular band. You can feel the muscular band. That is known as tinea coli.